Hello guys. Well, I got my Samsung watch here. It's been a few years and the battery is not keeping up day by day. So I picked up this battery kit from HDCKU. It's a battery replacement for a smartwatch, supposed to fit my watch. I haven't opened it up yet. Do-it-yourself repair kit, 365-day warranty, safety guarantee, quality supreme. Supposed to come with all the tools in the box, and it's a HDS3R760 battery kit. So let's see what comes in the box. Let's see what comes in the box. Okay, it comes with a manual for the says for the Gear S3 Frontier classic battery. Read the step-by-step guide before trying to do it. Inside the kit we got that triple Y screwdriver. Let's see. No, that's a regular Phillips. Here's a triple. This is a triple Y, 25 millimeter, 1.5. Not a bad looking little screwdriver. This is a regular Phillips. Then we got a couple guitar picks, pry tools, and comes with a tool similar to a Jerry Rig Everything pry tool, the opening tool. You've got a thin steel blade for wedging when pointed and a flat blunt end. And in this other box is the battery. Let's see. Look at that little Samsung battery. Samsung replacement battery. This is supposed to be an OEM battery. Now, hopefully it'll match. You never know till you get stuff in your hands, guys. Till you have the parts out of the car, the parts out of the watch. You won't know for sure. So packing list is battery replacement, opening tool, guitar picks, a Y 1.5 screwdriver, a Phillips 00 screwdriver, a black sputter, compatible model for Gear S3. Now oh look, I didn't even see this sputter tool. The sputter tool. Yeah, those of you guys that have watched Jerry Rig Everything, you know what sputter tools are for. We're going to find out. Now, this is one of my first videos. Well, not one of the first videos, but I normally don't film with my phone. I'm using my phone, the Samsung Note 9, to do the recording here today. We'll see how that comes out. I thought about just fixing my watch. You know, sometimes you just want to get on and get the job done, but I thought I would see how this video turns out. So, let's see. Part number 1. Place the watch screen down so the back cover is showing. Remove the 4.2 millimeter screws with the Y 1.5 screwdriver. Separate the motherboard and the front screen using the black spudger tool. Okay. Oh, I skipped a spot. Number 2, wedge the metal HDCKU opening tool in between the back cover and the frame. Along the seam, you force to pry the back cover away. This step requires a lot of force. This step will ruin the waterproof seal. Okay, guys, if you want your watch to work, or you have to throw it away. Let's see. Using the 00 screwdriver, remove the two 4.5 millimeter screws. Disconnect the battery ribbon cable from the bracket. Separate the chassis from the motherboard. Be careful with the battery ribbon cable, it's very easy to break. Note how the end of the cable seats into the plastic chassis. Look for the plastic pin on the chassis when reinserting. Okay, guys, we're gonna see how this goes. My first attempt at fixing a smartwatch. Let's see. Okay. Now my stainless steel band must have got corroded on one of the pins, because only one of the pins will come out. The other side is frozen. Won't come out. So there's my battery. Let's see if I can get my GoPro going here. Okay. So we got 4 Phillips screwdrivers. Let's wipe this thing off. Some videos say this is not a hard job, and other videos say that it takes quite a while to pry that cover off. Now there is absolutely no gap there, and I think that one person went in under the edge. Well, let's take the screws out and find out. There we go. That's the Y style screwdriver. Some people have said that screwdrivers don't fit very well. Oh, broke the first rule. Turn off the watch. The tip of that screwdriver doesn't look very good, guys. And if you can't get past the first 4, then this time. So we're trying out this Mako Precision bit set from iFixit. Hopefully it will have the correct bit in there that will fit the Samsung watch properly. I have to get this thing cut apart here and see what's in the box. So it comes in a nice hard case. Now let's see what's in the box here, guys. Let's see. Where is... No, it doesn't have a hinge. It opens up, the whole top comes off. That's a nice looking kit here. And we're looking for the Y00. Which there's 3 right here. I think we got a 0, a 00, and a 000. And the 00 didn't fit good in that. These things are so small, my bifocal glasses are giving me a fit here. This is the Y0 here. Y0. Now it's supposed to take a 00. We're going to try the Y0, and it doesn't fit, which is no surprise. Now the 00 is the one that's supposed to go. There's a Y00. Okay, the question is, does it fit snugly into the screw? You know it does. It doesn't have any play like the other one. The other one had a lot of movement in it. This one doesn't. Hopefully the other one didn't mess up these screws. And we're going to find out right now. This kit comes with a nice bit holder. Let's see. My fix it won't focus there. There we go. So here we go. Second attempt right here. Taking these 2 screws out. Well, it didn't work. It didn't work on that one. That one works. You know, that other one was the one I tried with that screwdriver, and it may have messed it up. Well, there's one screw out. One screw out. Oh, this thing turned itself on. Let's see if we can turn it off. That one doesn't sound good. Two out of 4 so far.